Welcome to our channel. If you need to order checks for your Bank of America account, follow these step-by-step instructions to place your order conveniently online. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit the Bank of America website at bankofamerica.com. Step 2. Log in to your online banking account using your online ID and password. Step 3. After logging in, navigate to your checking account from the Accounts Overview page. Step 4. Look for Order Checks option in the Account Services menu, which may be under Account Settings or Services. Step 5. Click Order Checks to access the check ordering system, which may redirect you to an authorized check printing vendor. Step 6. Select your preferred check design and style from the available options, ranging from basic to decorative designs. Step 7. Choose the quantity of checks you want to order, typically available in boxes of 100 to 300 checks. Step 8. Review the order details including style, quantity, and price. Provide your current mailing address where you want the checks delivered. Complete the payment process and wait for your checks to arrive by mail within 7 to 10 business days. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.